National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, north central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from O'Hare Airport, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: National Weather Service meteorologists. Impact: expect damages to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted by this thunderstorm include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Waukegan, Cicero. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, and